Every year Samsung launches a Galaxy Note series phone in the second half of the year, but this time there are rumors that we would get more than one Galaxy Note phone in 2019. There would be a normal Galaxy Note 10 and then a rumored Galaxy Note 10 Pro. Today we finally got the very first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 thanks to the CAD renders by ONLEAKS. These CAD renders give us a pretty good look at the phone's design from all the angles. Starting off with the front, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 has an Infinity O display like the Galaxy S10, but the difference is in the placement of the cutout. Unlike the Samsung Galaxy S10 where the cutout is placed on the top right, it is placed in the center in case of the Galaxy Note 10. The display size is going to remain around 6.3 inch, which means the display is slightly smaller than that on the Galaxy Note 9, which has a 6.4 inch panel. Still, the bezels are now thinner that make the Galaxy Note 10 look beautiful from the front. Well, the same cannot be said for the rear because the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 has a vertical triple camera setup that is placed on the top left instead of the center as on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now this placement does remind the camera placement of the Huawei P30 Pro. There is nothing bad in placing the cameras this way, but there might be some Samsung fans that prefer the camera placement in the center. The lack of fingerprint scanner on the rear means there is one under the display like the Galaxy S10 series. And yes, this is going to be an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. One of the biggest disappointments with the Galaxy Note 10 is definitely going to be the lack of headphone jack. So finally Samsung had decided that it is time to remove the headphone jack from its Galaxy Note devices. Also, the CAD renders suggest that there is no longer a dedicated button for Bixby Assistant. The USB Type-C port is there on the bottom along with the S Pen and the speaker grill. So that's all about the design of Samsung Galaxy Note 10 that was revealed by the CAD renders by ONLEAKS. What do you think of the design of Samsung Galaxy Note 10? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.